Matt, what can we expect from you guys?
Well, we've actually taken the decision that with Mac being postponed, to do a virtual stand. So we've got a virtual exhibition stand there. Anybody who would have gone to Mac can come in, go online, look around the stand, and we'll have hotspots on the various different exhibits that we would have had. And you can click on, get more information, videos, lots of good stuff.
Right, so you put your technical guys in the background, not just about the robotics, but all the automation and that side of things. So what will we actually see on the stand then?
So we'll have a FP800, which is the large 3D vision system for handling of large parts. We did a few weeks, even a couple of months ago, time flies, with yourselves. We did a little bit of a preview on that. So that'll be on the stand. We'll have the SC3000, which is the portable system, the quick setup system, all again with the flex loader vision system. We'll have the FP300, which is for handling of small random bulk products, and we'll have a smaller version of that called the FP100, as well as some of the key robots in collaborative robots, the Yumi, the single arm Yumi, and also one of our newer robots, which is another tiny little baby robot. So we've tried to bring together as much as we can for Mac, giving everyone a flavour of what we're offering.
Absolutely fantastic. And I personally have seen the FP800, which is picking up machining, stacking those big castings. The FP300 was doing the de-burring job on this instance, so some great solutions there. So,
that's right, yeah.
So basically, if they want to see those, they can go onto your virtual stand at ABB Robotics UK.
Yeah, there'll be a link we'll be posting, and it'll be live this week.
Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Matthew, thank you very much.